Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the place you want to edit and locating the lighting service in Explorer. This is where global brightness lives. Once done, click Lighting and make sure Properties is visible so you can change values directly. You'll see brightness, clock time/time of day, and ambient settings. These three control perceived light. Do this now so subsequent adjustments update in real time. Keeping a test baseplate open helps you preview changes immediately as you tweak numbers. You'll change the numeric brightness first, type 0. 5 to darken or 3/5 to brighten quickly. Then adjust time of day or clock time to shift the sun and shadow direction, since the same brightness reads differently at noon versus evening. Make sure to tweak outdoor ambient to control indirect light and fog settings to affect distance visibility. As you edit, observe the scene. Small increments matter. So use trial adjustments and undo if a value overwhelms materials or washes out colors. You wrap up by testing in play mode to ensure brightness behaves under runtime conditions and to catch performance impacts. Once satisfied, consider adding color correction or exposure compensation for fine mood control and save a version. If your edits don't show, check for scripts setting lighting properties at runtime and disable them temporarily. Also verify lighting enabled is true. Finally, make incremental saves so you can revert if a change breaks visibility or causes excessive bloom. This prevents losing a known.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.